Before the opening bell, U.S. indices rising on Monday, led by shares in utilities, healthcare equipment and services, and retailing sectors. Advancers ahead of decliners, 55% of SP 500 constituents trading higher yesterday. Now, after the market closed, Johnson & Johnson announcing its board of directors has approved the repurchase of up to 10 billion shares. Boeing expecting 150 buyers from Europe, the Middle East, and Africa through the year 2022. This reported by Reuters. And PepsiCo and Coca-Cola both saying that the companies are in talks to invest in Chobani. This according to reports from Reuters. Now turning overseas, Asian markets declining today. The Nikkei down 1.11%, the Hang Seng down 0.57%, while South Korea's Kospi down 0.13%. China reporting a trade surplus of 376.2 billion yuan in September, while September exports fell 1.1%, while imports were down 17.7%. European markets are downward and U.S. futures calling for a soft opening. Now, earnings release is expected for today. We do have Johnson & Johnson third quarter EPS seen at $1.45, while JP Morgan Chase third quarter EPS seen at $1.38, while Intel third quarter EPS seen at 61 cents on sales of approximately $14.2 billion. On the economic data front today, we have September NFIB small business optimism. And regarding the trend on indices, Trading Central says the SP 500 sees its key resistance at 2035. So as long as 2035 is the resistance, expect a return to 1971. The relative strength index bearish and calling for further downside. So short positions below 2035 are favored, with targets at 1971 and 1961 in extension. Onto the Nasdaq, seeing its key resistance at 4,442, preferring short positions below that figure, and the Dow Jones seeing its key resistance at 17,200, preferring short positions below that figure as well.